Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook Shops ad on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the social media section next to the whiteboards option and click to the Facebook section. Here you can find the Facebook Shops ad option and just tap on it. You have more options. If you want to add a picture, just tap to the upload button and you can upload a picture, or the gallery section, and you can choose a picture or a video from your gallery from your device. And you can add the different graphics elements, for example stickers, photos, chart, frames and more. And if you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select a template and step on it. New, you can edit the style of the template, and if you want to change the color, just tap to the square icon next to the design section and just select another picture, another color. If you want to change the picture of your template, just go to the gallery or the uploads section, choose a picture and drag it the frame. And done. If you want to another text, that just click that and write your text. You can edit the font and the size of the text. For example, Gagarin, Poppins and more. And if you tap to the plus icon, you can edit the font, the size of your text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.